Looking for a quick breakfast you can eat on the go? My protein-packed breakfast burrito is a great option. It tastes delicious and packs 42 grams of protein for 370 calories. Here's how you can make 7 burritos for your busy week. First, spray some nonstick spray into your pan. Next, chop up 3 onions and a clove of garlic and then toss in your pan. For the seasoning, I'm using about 10 grams of Dano's Chipotle Seasoning. Once the onions are cooked, add your ground lean turkey sausage to the pan. This will be about 14 ounces once cooked. Add some more Dano's or your seasoning of choice and then incorporate your meat and onions to look like this. Next, we're going to crack 7 eggs and then mix 21 tablespoons of egg whites. We'll then soft scramble them in the pan. Now, we're going to assemble our burritos. We'll take our meat and eggs and divide them into 7 equal portions. We'll be using 7 of these carb-balanced tortillas and 154 grams of fat-free cheese, or 22 grams per burrito. First, place your meat, then your eggs, and then top with the fat-free cheese, and then roll it up. Repeat until you have all 7 burritos, then crisp in a pan. And there you have it. 7 high-protein, lower-calorie breakfast burritos for your busy week. Each burrito contains 370 calories, 42 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs, and 17 grams of fat. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. If you're looking for a lunch option, check out my video on how to make my high-protein pizza.